Don DeFlavis Construction LLC here. This is a full remodel we just finished in Palmira in Bonita Springs. We did a really cool wainscot throughout this whole apartment, you'll see. We did all the flooring, paint and trim. We redid the stairway. We had to totally refinish all the railings. They were painted before, so we had to sand down and stain. We put new treads on the stairway, and of course this wainscot. I got to give a lot of credit. My superintendent and crackerjack carpenter David Teets did an awesome job. My whole crew did. Outstanding on this job. Nicole Miller is our kitchen designer, and the whole team. So there used to be like a wall here with just a little pass-through island. There was also like a column and some arches in here, which we took all of that out. So we have all new kitchen cabinetry in here. All the lighting we did, all the tile work throughout. This is a really cool backsplash with under cabinet lighting, of course, and the wainscot follows around. Nice stainless steel appliance package. We still have some trim we're going to install on the top of the cabinets. That hasn't come in yet. Quartz countertops, and this is porcelain tile throughout. We did this wall unit over here, and of course all the wainscoting in here. This is a bedroom. Just basically in here was baseboard and paint that we did. This is the hall bath. This is a new vanity and top. New tile work. This used to be a tub, which we took out and added a shower. And we go back down to the master suite. More wainscoting. Nice big walk-in closet. We didn't do much in there other than new flooring. This shower is all new, and the tub. Of course, all the plumbing fixtures, new vanity. We still have a mirror to install that we're waiting on the glass to come in for that. We're custom making the frame and waiting on the glass. This is really cool looking. I like the tub fill. Very cool. Nice shower. Really interesting tile on the walls here. So this is it. Don DeFlavis Construction, www.dondeflavis.com. You can find us. This is a project in Palmira Country Club, Bonita Springs, Florida.